Howdy guys, Mac Double Tap. So it's kind of an unboxing, although it doesn't actually come in a box, unpackaging for the new Crossbreed Reckoning, and kind of a happy surprise with it. So as you can imagine, this is, sorry, apparently there's moving dinosaurs or something upstairs. This is just another solid holster from Crossbreed. This is their latest and greatest. They make them special, as you can see, for each individual person. And these ones come, and I'd actually already taken it off, with the inside the waistband holster with the clips, or a set of belt loops, which I'm going to run it with belt loops for a while anyway, until I really see what sorry, I'm having to open this with my teeth. What you know, get it broke in and so on and so forth. But so if it runs the inside the waistband, it runs a set of hooks like so, and then you can adjust where they ride on that side. It comes with all the extra hardware you need, all the extra screws to go back and forth between the two. And these handy dandy bags that they come in. When I say it's an unboxing, this is the bag that it comes in. And there was the one side, and this is kind of an important statement for Crossbreed. This is the back of their bags. I pledge to uphold the Second Amendment, and I cherish the freedoms bestowed upon me as an American. I will use this Crossbreed holster to help me protect those precious freedoms. I pray that no harm befalls me, my country, or my family, but if faced with that evil, I will have the courage to stand against it. I will allow no harm to come to myself or my loved ones. God bless. These are actually very nice bags, first of all, but it's a statement, and it's a statement from Crossbreed holsters. You know, in a world where, you know, the Second Amendment is constantly under attack, they stand with their product. In a world where, you know, God is constantly under attack, they stand with their product. So that being said, I'll get off the political high horse and talk about their holsters. So slab of leather on the back, solid piece of Kydex on the front. I honestly don't know what the thickness is on this. It's really stout. They have on the frame side, or I'm sorry, the slide side of the gun, they have 4 individually adjustable retention screws. And on the trigger guard side, they have one that this works. Man, I should have took it out. That screw will press out on that bar right there, and you can use it to adjust your retention on your trigger guard. Now, that all being said, this is a holster for a Glock 17. I run this holster specifically because I can run a holster on a Glock 19, 19X, 17, just any of the different frame size guns. So when I buy a holster, I buy one for a 17. Now, Crossbreed will go nuts that I'm going to tell you this, but if you buy a holster for a 19 because you want that shorter frame, you can always cut right here with the Dremel tool and allow that 17 to move all the way forward. Like with this 19X in there, you can see there's a little bit of slop in there. Honestly, that 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of distance doesn't matter to me. So that's why I buy holsters for 17s, and I constantly will happily run a 19 in there, or the 19X. But here's what, and I'm going to tell you right now, Crossbreed does not condone this. They're not, I have been in contact with them about building gun, or more to the point, building holsters specifically designed for the Polymer 80. However, I have tweaked and played with this holster, excuse me, with both the trigger guard retention plate and the side, and I can now easily run. Now this is my, you guys remember this one, this is my, what I call my Glock 19 XL. It's a 19 frame with a 17 slide on it. Very easily locks up, very securely holds that platform. Try and grab it. I'm not holding anywhere else. Holds very securely, but easily removed. So the Reckoning from Crossbreed, fantastic product. This is the open. I can't count how many Crossbreed holsters I have. So somebody's saying, well, you haven't even had a chance to use this holster. And that's why this is an unboxing. We'll do a tailgate review after it's had, you know, a couple thousand draws and a couple thousand rounds, and been wearing it a couple months. But this is the initial on it. It is another solid holster from Crossbreed. I'm telling you, you can easily adapt this to the P80. That is not Crossbreed. Crossbreed does not currently, quote unquote, make a holster that fits the Polymer 80 frames. I'm telling you, without any modifications to this holster in any way, shape, or form, other than adjusting some screws, I have the Reckoning perfectly fitting a Polymer 80, and this is a Rock Slide USA slide. This will, because anybody in the Polymer 80 world knows that not everybody's making holsters for the P80s. So this is, to me, is a big step to have a holster the quality of Crossbreed, and to have you know, the versatility of being able to go back and forth between a Glock and you know, one of my P80s. It's awesome. So yes, you can make the Crossbreed Reckoning work well with a Polymer 80, and obviously it works well with Glock. That's what it's designed for. The craftsmanship on these is fantastic. And I am actually planning on going to SHOT Show, and honestly, I just got a letter from SHOT Show. You know, they want me to, you know, verify who I am without my alias of Mac. So for those that don't know, you all get to find out. My name is Mike McCowan. I go by Mac. My name has been Mac since first mail call in the Army, actually. When they came to my last name, it was Michael, Mac, and it's been Mac ever since. So that's why I go by Mac. But so for the men and women at SHOT Show, this is my channel, and I will, you know, mark the time so I can send them exactly to it, and I'll probably also put it down in the comments, or in the description. But Crossbreed, fantastic holsters. This is literally my 8th or 9th Crossbreed, I guess. The Reckoning is brand new offering from Crossbreed. This is a brand new holster style, and it is actually the style of holster I prefer. As far as, I don't like any rake. I don't like any forward rake. I don't like any cant, whatever you guys want to call it. I like a gun to ride straight up and down, and this does. This is designed truly for the appendix carry world. I'm going to run it on a belt for a little while, get it broke in, and you know, go from there. But I'll do another review on it after I get a little bit of time with it and get it on, you know, get it on my body and carry it for a while, If you guys have never done the hybrid holsters, the leather and or Kydex holsters, you've got the best of both worlds. You got leather up against your body, and you have Kydex to take the beating. Does not holster where your gun anywhere near like just true leather holster does, and they're a great product. Crossbreed, great American-made company, made in America. Somebody that believes about America, believes in God. That is important with what we're facing, what we have in front of us. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out daily2a.com where you can find Crossbreed and all kinds of other stuff. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.